Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to scan QR codes on your iPhone. It's super easy, so let's get right to it. First, open the camera app on your iPhone. Make sure you're in photo mode, not any other mode like video or portrait, because those won't scan QR codes. Once you're in photo mode, simply point your camera at the QR code you want to scan. Your iPhone should automatically recognize it. You'll see a little preview in yellow text at the bottom that shows you what the QR code will open. You can tap on that yellow link to open the QR code. Alternatively, you can click the little QR code icon in the bottom right corner of the screen, which I'm going to do right now. As you can see, this particular QR code takes me to my MagSafe YouTube channel, and it opens it in my default browser, Google Chrome. But QR codes can do lots of different things: open other apps, websites, and more. Now, if you're having trouble scanning the QR code with the camera app, there's another option. You can use the built-in code scanner app, which is already on your iPhone. It works basically the same way, except the camera view is full screen. Again, just point the app at the QR code, and it should automatically pop up and open. If you're still struggling to open QR codes, there are a few possibilities. The QR code might be dead, meaning it doesn't link to anything anymore. Or maybe the QR code is damaged or incorrect. It's also possible the QR code is too small, so the camera can't pick it up properly. And that's it. That's how you scan a QR code on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to Rome Tech for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching.